Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Acer Aspire A514. This laptop is equipped with an Intel Core processor that provides me this smooth performance for an everyday tasks like whenever I'm web browsing or document editing or listening to music, watching some videos. So the fact that I can be multitasking and running multiple applications, it gives me this opportunity to finish my job on time without delays. I find really practical the fact that it has 14 inches display. It makes it really compact and lightweight. It's really easy to carry around. It's very suitable for whenever it's needed to be used for work, but also for travel. It's also super great that it has different connectivity options: USB, USB Type C, USB 3.2, HDMI, and SD card reader. And that's my point of view.